It all started with a vision to offer women a special place dedicated to clinical excellence and their total health and well-being at every stage of life. The Aurora Women's Pavilion presented this special offering to women in April of 2002, and the response has been overwhelming.
There's someone I found who knows who I am, who nurtures, heals, and understands. They're one of a kind. They understand my body, my heart, my soul, my mind. A better way of caring that I've wanted to find.
Presenting a one-of-a-kind healthcare experience for every stage of a woman's life to enhance the total health and well-being of every woman. The Aurora Women's Pavilion.
Yes, they're one of a kind.
The Pavilion continues to raise the bar in women's health, adding several nationally recognized programs, services, and specialists. We help women turn challenges into stories of hope every day. Here are a few of the faces of total well-being.
The Women's Pavilion is a super place. It's almost like you're not at a hospital, not at a treatment center. It's just very, very comfortable. There's a fireplace. They have a wonderful atrium. They have a snack bar. They have all kinds of things to make you feel comfortable. But the people are what make it special. The caregivers, the nurses, the doctors, the people that give chemo shots. You feel like you have this little angel sitting on your shoulder. I am so happy that I was directed to the Women's Pavilion at West Dallas. I loved it. I still do.
The staff at Aurora Women's Pavilion played a very human role in my healing. I wasn't an insurance number. I wasn't another patient. I was a woman who needed healing and understanding, because you don't go into having a hysterectomy thinking that you're going to come out 3 months later with stage 4 colon cancer at 36 years of age. You just don't. And to know that that staff was with me at every step was healing emotionally for me, along with all the other medical areas and technology that went along with that. It was just so exciting that after my surgery here at Aurora Women's Pavilion that we were able to conceive, so we've been truly blessed.
The staff at the Women's Pavilion are just amazing. They are cut from a different cloth. They're a different breed. Their compassion, their kindness is like nothing I had ever experienced in my life, whether it was from my initial diagnosis, my surgeries, my chemo nurses, the radiologist. They just help you fight the fight, and they make sure you never give up.
The staff at the Aurora Women's Pavilion was wonderful, from the people at the check-in desk to the doctors to the nurses. Everyone made us feel at home. In a very scary situation, we felt that we could manage anything. We never envisioned that we would have premature twins, actually micro-preemies. And we do not feel that we would be in the position where we are at without the nurses, the doctors, all the support staff, and everyone at Aurora Women's Pavilion. They have been so wonderful that we feel so blessed and are able to bring them home in a very few short weeks. In my opinion, and my family's opinion, the only place to deliver your babies. They have wonderful, dedicated staff, and we have never felt that our questions have gone unanswered, and we feel truly blessed.
I was having joint pain and extreme fatigue, dry skin, poor metabolism. I had prior testing done from different doctors, and they didn't really take care of it. I met Dr. Velika at an Aurora Women's event. She said she could help me come on in, have some blood work done, and then I met with her, and she started me on medication, and within 2 months it was much better. I feel more energetic, the metabolism is better. I finally found a doctor who listened. Dr. Velika at the Aurora Women's Pavilion diagnosed and treated my thyroid problem, and what a difference it has made in my life.
The Women's Pavilion is such a special place. I remember the very first time that I came here, I was in tears because I was so scared about what was happening in my body. And I remember the woman who was at the front desk greeted me with a smile, and I remember thinking, this is such a wonderful place that they would be so welcoming to me, and I have had such great experiences with the doctors and their expertise that they've really worked with me and treated me as an individual, that I'm not another name on a chart, I'm not another number, I'm not just another patient, I'm Katie and I'm special. I remember coming in 6 years ago in extreme pain and never imagining that 6 years later, 5 years later, I would be able to come back and have a baby of my own. He has just been such a blessing in my life as well as my family's life, and I honestly couldn't be happier.
Congratulations to our patients, our caregivers, and the community of women who look to us to help them live well.